Hey everyone, welcome back to ByAmbition. In this video, I'll show you how to set Google Chrome as your default browser. This means links will automatically open in Google Chrome instead of another browser. So let's get started. Step 1, first open up Google Chrome on your computer, which I already have right here. Step 2, click the three dots in the top right corner, then click Settings. Step 3, in the left menu, click Default Browser. Step 4, click Make Default. Step 5, if your computer opens System Settings, choose Use Chrome as a default web browser. Step 6, click Refresh. It'll be on your top left. And that's how you set Google Chrome as your default browser. If this video helped, like the video, subscribe to ByAmbition, and I'll see you in the next one.